Oh, it's the morning. I can hear Oscar yawning from here. Might just have to tell him to be quiet again. Oscar!
Yeah?
You know the flood part? Yeah. Do you think we should go for it again?
Maybe. But it's winter, man.
Don't know, let's just go.
Wait, I need... Wait, should we check on my safe though?
Yeah, let's check on the safe. Guys, if you don't know what we mean by that, it's this baby.
Hey, wait for me.
This is where we keep all of our bamboo and our money.
Safety stuff.
And we keep all of the subscribers in it. All of the ones that are trapped. All the haters. Ah! Oh, I'm out. Alright, let's get out. Let's go.
Go in my cycle.
Can I drive this time?
No.
I'm wearing green.
No.
Yeah, guys. Do you know? Oh, guys, I'm wearing green. I'm an elf this December, so you better call me Elfie. And guys, like and subscribe if you're a good child.
Elfie, where are we going? Oh, we're going to the lake, right?
Go to Brooks Diner.
Okay.
Go to Brooks
Oh,
Diner.
we need the special stuff, remember?
Yeah, so go to Brooks Diner.
Okay.
Now go to Brooks Diner or else you'll die.
I'm going now.
You can't even drive. While I'm waiting, I'm going to eat. Guys, guess what? There's a new sprinkle rings. Mini sprinkle rings. They're very yummy.
Yeah.
Subscribing. No, you're driving. You can't eat while you're driving or else you'll crash.
Now can I have one?
Oh, fine. There's only 5 left.
Oh yeah, I have a sprinkle ring in my pocket.
The magic book. I don't know why, but they keep it in here.
Hello, can I have a bamboo smoothie? Thank you, bye.
Oscar, come on. It's not the right time.
Done.
Come on, let's go.
It's locked.
Alright, next we have to go to the school.
Okay.
Oscar, we have to go through this door so then the children don't see us and go, oh, it's Alfie, what's the playtime? Shh. Do-do. Do-do. Oscar! I got the gem. Now run! Mr. Principal, I've robbed you. Where's the car? Oh, I want to take this guy's motorbike. Oh man, Oscar. Okay.
Now where are we going?
Can I, let me remember something quickly. To my house. I said
Go. I'm going at
you
top.
better do.
I'm going at top.
Oscar, you better do. Or else you're gonna die.
Or else you're gonna die.
1 second. Yay, I got the magic spatula, Oscar. Why can't I pick it up? Guys, I think they updated it. I don't think we get... Is this my house or is this your house? Can we try your house? Can we try your house?
Oh, okay. Ah, my car! Got my car!
Oscar, look what I found.
A secret entrance.
Yay. Now, where is your barbecue? Do you even have a barbecue? You don't have a barbecue?
Yeah.
Man.
You go to
How do we get
Stranger's house. I robbed them.
Actually, let's try one more time.
Wait a minute, I'm just gonna do...
Guys, if it doesn't work, we might Guys, if it doesn't work, we're gonna have to find another
I
magical
found
item.
someone who was the same house. Wait, no.
Oh, guys, I'm sorry, guys. They've updated it. You can't get it
Yeah, but
anymore.
Alfie, no, it might work on my one. I want
No, Oscar, did you know there's such thing as the spare magical item?
Oh.
It's another box. Actually, no.
Ah.
Oscar, get in my car. I got the cool car. I got the cool car. I got the very cool car.
No!
Why not? You get to sit on the roof.
No!
Wait, you can follow me. Follow me.
Where do we go now?
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm at hospital.
You at the hospital?
No, I'm not.
Oscar, meet me
PlayStation.
at my pizza. Huh? You keep stuck.
Oh, guys. Guys. Oh, can I have
This is for us.
please? Thank you.
We got it. Run! Goodbye, Oscar. I'm gonna go to the.
You're gonna press into the door.
I'm gonna do the flood thing without you. So.
Wee. Go to the lab. I can't go to the lab. Lab.
Oh, great for me. Oh, guys, this time I'm gonna be serious when I talk about this. Like and subscribe, or else you have to eat Nutty's poop. Yeah. Alright, 3, 2, 1.